The courtroom went silent when a father stood up, and what he said made even the judge lower his eyes in shame. But what really happened that day shocked everyone. It was a regular court hearing in a small-town courtroom. The atmosphere formal and tense as always, with an 8-year-old black boy sitting quietly with his father in the back row while waiting for the case to end. The child wasn't running around or shouting. He simply whispered a question to his dad, because he didn't understand what was being said. Suddenly, the judge slammed his gavel and barked, "Whose child is this? He's being loud and disrespectful in my courtroom." Gasps filled the room as all eyes turned to the small boy, whose innocent face froze in fear and confusion. For a moment, his father stayed seated, his jaw tightening, and the tension in the room grew heavier by the second. Then the father slowly stood up, and the entire courtroom froze as his calm yet commanding voice echoed. "Your Honor, my son was only whispering to me, because he didn't understand the legal terms you used," he said firmly. The judge tried to interrupt, but the father continued, his tone steady and fearless, and with all due respect, accusing an 8-year-old of being disruptive without knowing the facts is not justice. Whispers spread among the people seated, but the man wasn't done. He stepped forward slightly, his words now carrying a weight no one expected. "For the record, I am Marcus Fields, the federal prosecutor for this district. I have spent my life fighting for fairness and equality, and today I'll remind this court that respect goes both ways." The judge's face turned pale, and the once confident courtroom fell into complete silence. Everyone's eyes were now on the judge, who shifted uncomfortably before muttering an apology. But Marcus wasn't there for revenge. He simply took his son's hand and walked out with dignity. Outside, the boy asked, "Daddy, did I do something wrong?" And Marcus knelt, saying softly, "Never feel small for asking questions, son. You belong anywhere." That day became a reminder that true power is not in titles or robes, but in treating every soul with humanity, no matter their age or color. And the twist no one expected was that the man they thought was just another parent turned out to be the very person who upheld justice in that very court. If you want more inspiring stories like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a story that can change hearts.